Stunned it into the ground. So just to explain fully so you know what's happened, they've lost a fielder on the fence. Nicely bowled by Hanain. He prides himself on being able to bowl Yorkers.
What a pick for Max Bryant. Islamabad United got him.
Yorker again. Oh, it's a dot ball. It is a dot ball. Righto. Brilliant.
What an over. What a variation from Hanain.
5 needed. Down the ground hard. And out. Oh my goodness. Hassan Khan has taken that one, moving around. Oh my goodness gracious me. What a finish. Hanain, you beauty. That's outstanding work. Pressure galore, and look what he's delivered. That's a long go. Here we go. 5 off 2. Oh, it's another Yorker. Oh, it's another Yorker. Unbelievable stuff from Hanain Shah against Bashar Wazawi. Here we go. 4 needed. 4 needed. Oh my goodness, they've done it. The debut team has done it. This is sensational stuff. They have been on a roll. What a final performance from these guys. Look at the captain. He's going berserk right now. What a surge from them. Terrific stuff. First time in the league, they got through to the final.
Unbelievable scenes. What a comeback by Hyderabad Kings, man. What an over. The last ball was 142 kilometers an hour from Hanain.